Big eucalyptus alpine cider gum in town. I'm just going to show you what she looks like end of January. As we get into February here, there's zero winter damage on it. This is a big tree, right? Big tree. We gave this to the park in 1999. My buddy grew it from seed. There's the leaves there. So it's the higher elevation variety of a cider gum, right? This is Alpine cider gum eucalyptus archeri, and it's a monster growing here in Ganges on Salt Spring Island. What a beautiful tree, man. Look at the branches on it. And you cut these branches off, they re-sprout back too. I've cut some monsters off of it that were in the way of the market, so we're in Centennial Park. You know where we are. Centennial Park, end of January, middle of Ganges on Salt Spring Island. Beauty.